Murakami IQ 84. It's famous, clearly. One of my favorite books. Can you choose one from the red team? Anna, please. The rules are the same, so Hannah will be the typewriter, and the other four will play 1Q84. You can choose chapter 5. Welcome. The chapters. Well, that one. That one.
That's chapter 4.
Okay, chapter 4. So it's the same for both teams. 3, 2, 1, go!
Fushikawa found it hard to get his head around the idea that the elderly dowager who lived in a mansion in Azabu could somehow be involved with the assassination of Sakigake's leader.
I know who killed Sakiyaki's leader. I swear. We tried to protect him.
Shishimoto-san, we need to find the killer. Did you notice anything suspicious?
He had one eyebrow.
One eyebrow killer-san!
Is the one eyebrow gang?
I heard they are to be found in Tokyo. We go, we found.
So, Fushikawa took the elderly dowager with him and they went to Tokyo, where they met the high mistress of Takagama. The high mistress had one problem. She could not speak. But she was very wise.
I speak for the monarch. Welcome. Have a seat.
We have come a long way. We need your help. Your help.
Tell us what we need.
I thought she knew everything.
One eyebrow killer.
We need a one eyebrow killer. No, we need to find him. Yes. We find him.
One more mistake, you suicide, huh? You don't speak when the mother speaks. We know where the eyebrow money is. We need something for exchange.
What generous offer can we present to the mother?
More swords like this. Okay, and more dresses like this.
Yes, on my honor. And on my sword's honor.
What is this?
The sword.
I need to be cut out.
That's what she said.
You have something to say. She remembers you. Very well. Don't act like you don't remember.
We will bring the swords and the dresses.